What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you how I make this quick and easy hot chocolate mix from scratch. Let's get started. So here in a bowl are my ingredients that I'll be using. Here I have some almond milk creamer, some powdered sugar, and some cocoa powder. Now you could go ahead and use powdered milk, but I'll be using the almond milk creamer because I want this to remain dairy free. And for my spices, I have some nutmeg, some salt, and some cinnamon. So I'm going to spice this up to add some flavor. And I'm going to add some vanilla sugar. Now to my bowl, I'm just going to go ahead and combine everything. I'm just going to whisk this until everything is fully combined. And that's just basically it, guys. Your hot cocoa mix is ready. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this to my jar. And guys, this is perfect for the holiday season, and you could also make this as a gift to a family friend or neighbor. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I make the perfect cup of hot chocolate. So guys, I'm going to add my hot cocoa mix to my mug. And let me tell you guys, this was so flavorful. And to this, I'm going to use my hot liquid of choice. I'll be using some almond milk. You could use anything you like. And I'm going to mix to dissolve. Guys, it's just that easy to make your own cup of hot cocoa right there. And guys, if you like a thicker hot cocoa, you could go ahead and add a tablespoon of cornstarch to your hot cocoa mix and you are perfect. And I'm going to just go ahead and add some marshmallows, because what's hot chocolate without marshmallow this holiday season? And that's it, beautiful people. That's just about it. Quick, simple, easy, affordable. And trust me, guys, you will be making your own hot cocoa from now on. Trust me. And as I mentioned before, it's perfect as a gift over the holiday season. That's it, my beautiful people. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.